why you have not been approved yet. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tips you need to pay attention to when applying to become an NFT creator on Binance. Exactly 2 days ago, I got an email from one of the team member behind Binance NFT, and he told me 5 tips I need to pay attention to when I'm uploading my next Binance NFT, and I want to share all those tips with you for free. So without waste of time, let's get into the video. But first, my heart and my prayers goes out to people who are being affected in Afghanistan. If any of them are able to view this video, my prayers goes out to you. So the number 1 tip he told me was that I should make sure that my pictures are original. I made a video on how you can apply to become a creator on Binance NFT, and in that video you are supposed to send one picture to their email that is one of your NFT to Binance so that they can review that picture. You are told to send your picture, your social media account, and some other information. I'm going to create a new video about that one more time, so if you are not sub to the channel, I want you to sub and like this video so that more people will find it. So when you send their image to them, they are going to analyze your picture to see if it is original. If they notice it's not original, they will just ignore you. So when you are applying to them, you need to make sure that your first image has to be original. It shouldn't be an image that can be found online in any way. If you look at this image, if you take a screenshot of each of this image and you reverse search it on any website to check for duplicate image, you will notice that you cannot find any of them online. So whether you are editing an image or you are trying to create any kind of image, whether it is something you snapped with your mobile phone, no matter how you get it, you need to make sure it is something that is not found online already. So that is the first point they told me. The image you are sending to them so that they can accept you has to be original. Number 2, you have to provide complete details. So when applying for Binance NFT, you need to give them all details, including full name. He said most people give just 2 names, their first name and the last name. You need to give full name, your whatever ID you are being required to give, your country, location, every details they're asking you to do. Those details are in my last video, so if you're interested in to know about those details, you can check my previous video. I gave the full details and a sample image I sent, a sample email I sent to them, so you can also do the same too. Number 3 reason is you don't have any history or evidence of being an art creator. So one of the things that you are being asked to do is submit your Facebook ID, your Instagram ID, your Twitter ID. So that is what you are being asked by Binance. You need to also submit that in your email. So when sending an email to them, you have to include your Facebook username, Twitter, and Instagram. The reason they do this is to check to see if there's any evidence to prove that you're an art creator. So if there are no evidence to prove that you used to create art or you have been posting art online, then they are not going to approve you, because it's as if you are getting this image from somewhere just to make money off Binance. So there need to be evidence that you are already an art creator. So before you apply to them, you make sure you have uploaded some images to your Facebook, to your Instagram, so as to prove that you are an original art creator. And make sure your image or your signature is on your any of your art so that it identifies you as a creator. Number 4 point is you are only on Binance to sell with no intention to buy. So if it is known to them that your main interest is just to come and sell on Binance and you have not bought any NFT in the last 3 months, there's chances that you won't be allowed to become an NFT creator. If you notice, majority of NFT creators buy other creators NFT. So if you want to increase your chances of being approved, you also need to buy some NFT. Or if you also want to be invited to become an NFT creator, you have to have some NFT in your portfolio. Number 5, you don't have enough money to mint NFT. You cannot apply to be a creator of NFT if you don't have enough money to mint it. It's just as if you are going to a market and you are not with any amount of money. So you need to have a reasonable sum of money in your Binance account before you apply. Those things is going to be cross-checked. So when you are giving out your details, I'm going to create a new video about how I wrote my email, and every single detail I included to get approved. So if you want to see that video and if you want to see that email, I want you to like this video and sub to the channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, you can share it, you can also like it too. I really appreciate it. So that is the 5 things you need to pay attention to. They are: your image has to be original when applying. You have to give full details. Number 3, there must be evidence to prove that you're an art creator. Then you need to hold some NFTs. So your intention should not only be to come and sell, you need to buy them, and you need to have enough money to mint those NFT. So this is it for now. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to propose an email or how to write your email so as to get approved much faster.